Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code, which I will of course show you, and the second is using the settings. So maybe let's begin with a secret code. We have to open the dialer because this is the place where we can enter it, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another way, as I said, using the settings. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work in your case. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's scroll down again. As you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if you'd like to check the serial number, you have to enter the model, which is right above the IMEIs. And as you can see, the serial number is on the second position. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your Motorola Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.